So welcome to the Barrett channel and welcome to another video. This one's a pretty exciting one. We are at a factory that makes these UTV vehicles, and then we got some really cool stuff at the end where me and Ollie are putting this thing through its paces, so make sure you stay tuned till the end. So this is where the UTV starts its life. So this is the chassis, and as you can see, all these wires, it's already had the wiring harness put in, and that's in a part which is called pre-production. Also, if you look over here, these are the engines. These are the engines that go into the UTVs. The chassis are lifted on to the production line here. The first stage, the engine is put into the chassis, and that's what's going on here. And then the guys obviously cabling, looks like the throttle cable maybe, or the brakes or something, but they're just sort of feeding all the stuff through. And then he moves on up here. These guys here are fixing various things on. Engine's all now installed, and they're fairly complex. You know, they're kind of like sort of basic cars. You know what a basic Jeep used to be. It's fitting something to do with the steering here. I would imagine at some point these are the steering rods by the looks of it. He then moves along to this stage here where looks like the back drive differential is being installed. And yeah, they're a pretty complex piece of kit. You can see the pedals are in here. Obviously the accelerator and the brake, they are an automatic vehicle. You've now got the track rod ends here installed. And obviously next would be like this looks as if it's the front drive shafts or the rear drive shafts that will go in. It would obviously then continue up the line and get more and more added. Unfortunately, there's actually no more production today, but we are hoping to get back here at some point in the future and record the whole of the production for you. So here you can see that when they come up the production line, they don't have their roll cages fitted. So what you see here is the roll cages. But once they finish production, they get parked up here, and they're kind of 90% complete by the time they get to here, and then they queue them up here. And then the next stage is that you'll get a guy like this do some sort of visual checks, and they just check everything over, make sure everything's as it should be, apply various stickers around the vehicle. Now you've seen the testing, we are going to go out and drive this thing around, so I'm kind of looking forward to that. It's going to be fun. So we've had a great time at this ATV factory. We hope you have. If you think this video is cool, give us a thumbs up. And just as a thing, if you are interested in these AT vehicles, because they are certified for both the European and the American market, you can get in touch with us in our About section. You'll find our email there. Anyway, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you like this channel, hit that subscribe button. But as always...
Hello guys, just wanted to jump on to the end of the video here to mention a couple of things. Hopefully you did enjoy that one. It was a little bit short and sweet. We do apologize for that. If you are just longing for more Barrett content, don't worry. You know it's only going to be a couple of days before another video is out. Just a couple of things I want to talk about. Firstly, recently we've done a couple of higher production quality videos on the channel. One was a day in the life of a chef, and the other one was the 3 apartments in Chongqing. We will put the links down below if you missed those. But they got really positive engagement in the comments, and it's made us think we owe you to be upping our quality of content. And one way we're going to do that, we're hoping to buy a camera that's going to set us back about 35,000 RMB. You know, expensive cameras, expensive filming equipment doesn't come cheap. And you know, we've mentioned this time and time again, this is mine and my dad's full-time job. So if you are able to contribute in any way towards us getting this camera, that would be insanely appreciated. The links will be down below to Patreon to buy us a coffee, and we'll put an Alipay QR code on the screen. You know, just even a small amount, anything you can do, if you are able to, is hugely appreciated. But if not, don't worry, just smash a like on the video, and just the fact that you're here and you watch and you allow us to do this full time is more than we could ever ask for. Secondly, we want to get you guys involved a little bit more. We, as you know, on this channel, we do a broad variety of different topics. We cover opinion pieces, we cover factory tours, we cover tech and infrastructure, and we do travel and food. So there's something here for everybody, but we want to know, what is your favorite kind of video that we do on our channel? So what we're going to do is drop a poll on our Twitter, and we will put one on YouTube as well, as some people don't have Twitter. But if you do, please do follow us. The link is down in the description because we are very active over there. So we want to know what your favorite kind of video is, and hopefully we can understand the audience a little bit more and bring more of that content to you. Anyway, I'll stop blabbing on. Hopefully you did enjoy it, and hopefully you're looking forward to the next one, because we certainly are. For now, everybody, take care.